Welcome to another enlightening episode of Tiny Science Tutorials. Today, we're venturing into the captivating world of microgravity and exploring how this unique environment is recreated on Earth to train astronauts. We've learned that astronauts aboard the ACE experience microgravity, feeling weightless as they gracefully float inside the spacecraft. But how do they train for the seemingly magical state? Specialized laboratories, known as microgravity labs, recreate weightlessness for training purposes. One common method is using parabolic flight maneuvers, also known as the comet. During these maneuvers, an aircraft climbs to a high altitude and then dives downward, creating a brief period of weightlessness for those inside. It's like riding a roller coaster, but with a scientific purpose. Inside the microgravity lab, astronauts practice crucial tasks, such as conducting experiments and handling equipment, just like they would in space. This training prepares them for the challenges of working in a weightless environment. Microgravity labs play a pivotal role in advancing scientific research and space exploration. They allow scientists and astronauts to test ideas, develop technologies, and gain valuable insights before venturing beyond Earth's atmosphere. From floating gracefully in the ISS to training inside microgravity labs, astronauts embrace the wonders of microgravity, space training, paving the way for future space missions and discoveries. And that concludes our 1-minute journey through the captivating world of microgravity, space training. We hope you enjoyed this brief exploration. Stay curious and keep learning.